Thank you to our Brazilian customer for purchasing EA1000C6 rental LED display. EA1000C6 rental LED display is a standard 1000mm * 500mm LED billboard, featuring high-precision quick locks for efficient and robust installation. Optional curved locks are also available to create unique shapes and meet diverse stage requirements. EA1000C6 rental LED display has an openable rear cover, with the power supply located near the rear panel. The rear cover features a heat dissipation design to effectively improve the cabinet's cooling performance. Waterproof designs are incorporated at the seams of the rear cover and around the cable entry points. The LED modules are secured with screws, significantly increasing impact resistance and improving stability.